Hi everybody, Jeff Casmore here, internet marketer, Forex trader, and network marketer with IMarketsLive. Welcome to another video. It is a rainy day in the Chicago area. I'm out in the southwest suburbs and it's just been raining all day. I guess for December 1st, that is certainly better than snow. I actually used to be a meteorology major, so I do know this. 1 inch of rain is like 10 inches of snow. So anyway, I'm here to do a video today, okay? And for those that, it's kind of a different topic, but kind of leading into what I like to promote, is how do I make more money, okay? Everybody's sitting at home. They're trying to figure out how to pay the utility bill, how to pay the car insurance, how can I pay for the dance lessons for Susie, and it never ends, especially if you have a family, right? There's this bill, and it just keeps coming in. People from any age, 18 to 60, always looking for ways, how do I make more money, okay? In essence, there are three ways. Three ways I'm going to give you today, okay? The number 3 reason is get a different job. Okay, get a different job or get a second job, right? If you're working at a certain amount of money and it's not enough to pay the bills, then you either can do one or two things, okay? You can either get a better job that pays more money or you add an additional second job, okay? I've had students in the company that I'm in that have done deliveries with Uber Eats, have worked for Domino's Pizza, have worked a part-time job at Dunkin' Donuts. Any of those will do if you need to make more money, okay? The second reason is, and how to make more money, less expenses, right? Don't go to Starbucks every morning and pay $8 for a cup of coffee. Make it at home, right? Don't eat out 4 times a week. Eat out twice a week, right? Maybe your daughter Susie wants to be in gymnastics, basketball, and dance lessons all at the same time. Maybe take one of those away, right? That's the second reason of how to make more money, is you have to decrease your expenses going out. Then all of a sudden, you have more money, okay? So those are the 2 reasons. My favorite reason of how to make more money is trading Forex, through a simple app called swipetrades. See the swipetrades there? That little green thing right here? Okay? What you do is, I'm associated with a company where 6- and 7-figure traders give me trades on my phone that I can take, and I need to know nothing about Forex. Let me show you. So I hit the swipe trades, and that is a new trade idea, right? Okay, and you can see squiggly lines, numbers, all that kind of stuff. And for somebody who doesn't know anything about Forex, okay, well, now what do I do? Well, you hit that little green button on the bottom, and then look. You get all the information to make a trade, right? The entry price, what type of order it is, stop loss, take profit, right? And I know some of the numbers are a little blurry just because of the camera view, okay? Gives you all the information, okay? Then what you do is you take all those numbers, you copy and paste, and you put into a MetaTrader. It's another app on your phone, okay? And those are pairs that you see and where the markets are at. Now, obviously, I'm doing this video on Saturday, so everything's stable, right? So I'm not going to actually put in the trade. But what you do is, you open up that app, and you put in your trades. You put in your entry price, your stop loss. Now, what's unique, what's really great about trading is, and I'm going to pull this up real quick, is, do you see that little, I'm going to put this, see that little square right here? Right at the end? Yeah, right here. These buttons right along that side. All you have to do is hit that button, and it copies the field. And, of course, you're getting a better view here. A buy stop, an entry price, a stop loss, a take profit, and sometimes they'll have notes, right? So they got notes, okay? Now, some of that for you not knowing anything about Forex, what is all that? It's easy. So those buttons on the side, it's a copy and paste. You hit the button, it copies the data. You go back to the original app that I showed you, the MetaTrader. You hit push the button again, and you paste it into the correct column. You're done. The trade, you have entered a trade. You wait for the trade to trigger, you make money. These 6- and 7-figure traders, okay, earn tons of money and win 8 out of 10 trades on average. Okay, that's on average. Now, full disclosure, past profits don't guarantee future results. Always got to say that, okay? There is some risk in trading. However, for somebody who wants to make more money and change their life, this has been an absolute godsend to me. That swipetrades app, okay? It's not very difficult. It's literally copying and pasting, right? And what you have to learn is how to put the right number in the right part of the app, the second app that I showed you. Very easy. Do you want to make changes in your life? Do you want that to be the reason as to why, how to make more money? If you're interested, okay, and you're seeing this video on YouTube, okay, then obviously reach me, put a comment down here. That better idea is send a friend request through Facebook, and I will get you inside of our group where we have 6- and 8-figure traders. No obligation, just a Facebook group. You can take a peek around, you can ask questions, right, and see some of our team. I'm not making you purchase anything. You don't have to buy anything to go in to take a look. If you're seeing this video on Facebook, just put a 1 down there. Put a 1 that you're interested in and send me a Facebook friend request. I can't add you to the group unless we're friends on Facebook, and I'll get you involved. That's it. 3 reasons, 3 ways how to make more money, okay? Number 3, change jobs or get a second job, right? Number 2, less expenses, eat out less, okay? Turn lights off. All the things that everyone knows how to do to make their expenses go down. Less Starbucks. I prefer the number 1 reason and the number 1 way of how to make more money is trade Forex through an app called the swipetrades app. Okay? So if interested, please reach me on Facebook, send me your friend requests. Drop down your comments, information. If you want to reach me with a question, put in the comments. If you're seeing this on YouTube, please subscribe to my channel below here. If you want to get on my newsletter, there's a link below here. If you're ready to become a customer and get on board right away, there's also a link here. And you'll get inside of our actual team group, right? Not the first group I talked about, but the second group, which is just our team, right? You have to be obviously a customer, okay? But reach me, get inside our group. You don't think it's for you? Just hit the leave group button, and you're out, and you're on your way. And then maybe one of the other 2 things you'll have to do in order to how to make more money and change your life. That's it. Have a good weekend.